Hey everybody, Randy, Carolina Picker coming back at you today, and today we're going to go over some of the things that we were able to find at Goodwill at the bins, and I'm going to try to do this in an unedited version. Okay, so if there's a little bit of space, you can fast forward through it, or if I'm out of the frame or whatever, just bear with me. But I'm trying, this editing is killing me, so I'm going to try to do this in a fashion that is just one take. So there might be some mess ups, but anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So some of the things we were able to find at the bins. One thing is this little coat here. This is a Swiss Tech coat, and it is a size 2T. It is a size 2T, but it's a cute little jacket coat. It's a puffer coat, and there's really nothing wrong with it. It's in really good shape. And so with the weight of this, we're probably in this about $1.69. So we're probably in at about $1.69. Another thing was this syllables XXL, and I'm guessing this is a coat. Yeah, it zips all the way down. It's kind of like a sweater coat, I guess, or sweater jacket. Really nice. And because of the weight of it, we're probably in this about $2, something like that. This is a size XXL. Nothing wrong with it, really. It's in really good shape. It's kind of a suede feel with knitted. It's got the suede feel here, and then it's knitted in the other areas. So it's a really nice men's jacket coat. One of the things we got was this here. It's called a 3-in-1 Discovery jacket. Well, I guess that's not the name of it. It's a Champion, but it's a size medium, and it says it's a 3-in-1. Not sure exactly how it's a 3-in-1, but I guess the liner comes out and makes the jacket. Yep, it unzips. It has a hood on it, as well as it's kind of a puffer on the outside. So this is a really nice, nice jacket here. I kind of like that. Because of the weight of this, we probably paid about $2.50 for it. And again, I haven't done the comps on any of this stuff yet, but I think, you know, we could probably sell at least those jackets for at least in the $20 range, I'm guessing here. Another thing that we got was, a pair of shorts. These are PGA Tour shorts. They are size, let's see here. Let's see what the size these are. They're size 38. Really nice pair of shorts, nothing wrong with them. Because of the weight of them, we probably paid about $1.50 for them, I guess. Is probably what we paid, about $1.50. Another pair of shorts here. These are Pebble Beach shorts, size 38s as well. They're in really good shape, Pebble Beach shorts. And because of the weight of these, we probably paid about $1.50 for them. Then we also have, not sure what this is. It's called Jack. It's made by Jack. It's a medium. It's some kind of faux fur, I guess, like a vest of some sort, faux fur vest. But it was in the bins. Because of the weight of this, we probably paid about $2 for it. So hopefully, no, about $1.70 for it. So hopefully we can get some money back out of it, hopefully. And when I say these weights, we pay $1.69 a pound at our local Goodwill bins. So I'm just going by the weight. So obviously if something's 1 pound, you paid $1.69 for it. If it's less than that, then you paid less than $1.69. If it's heavier, then you paid more. Then we got this Old Navy vest here as well. This thing's in really good condition as well. The weight of this is probably about 2 pounds, I'd say. So we probably paid about $2, $2.10 for this or something like that. So we got that as well. And also I got to go over here and get this other jacket. It had been being washed. This is a Danskin Now. What does it say? XXL hooded pullover. I guess a sweatshirt is what you'd call this. I guess it's like a sweatshirt, but it does have a hood on it as well. Really nice condition. Because of the weight of this, we're probably in this about $1.70, something like that. And then we found some more DVDs in the bins. I don't know who's been giving these DVDs out to Goodwill at the bins, but basically we got these here, and for DVDs we pay 69 cents a piece for them. So no, we don't. I'm sorry, we don't pay 69 cents a piece for them. You still pay by the pound, and it turns out to be about 25 cents a piece for them. So we got that one there. This one here, True Lies. I guess that's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The Great Outdoors. Running Scared. And, well, I can't read that one upside down, and I'm not going to turn it over. So that one there. And then we also got these here. Dummy. Let's see, what is that? Be Cool. What Lies Beneath. Oh, that's a good movie. What Lies Beneath. Hide and Seek. That's a good movie as well. This one here still got some kind of plastic on it. Okay, just peel that right off. What is this one here? Predator 2 and Day of Destruction. So we got those as well. All right, so that makes a good haul from the Goodwill bins. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this particular video to see what we got from the Goodwill bins and what we paid for each item, and hopefully, you know, we'll get a good price for them. That's what it's all about. It's really, if you think about it, selling on anything, eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, anything, it's really a numbers game. It's about getting as many people as you can to your store, and you'll get sales, okay? The more items you have, obviously, in your store, the more chance you have to make a sale, because, you know, somebody specifically looking for this is not going to buy this, okay? So if you didn't have this in your store but only had this, then they're going to move on to the next person that does have this. So if you've got both of these, now you can, you know, cater to both types of people that are looking for each individual thing. So the more things you have in your store, the more chances you have of making a sale, and then the more people you can get eyes on your stuff, the more chance you have of making a sale as well. And that's where the paid promotions come in, promoting your particular items so that eBay can get them out there and get them promoted. So anyway, that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see each and every one of you on the flip side.